Just put a candle in Vicks VapoRub. After learning this, I never stayed at the hospital's door again. I stopped spending money. Do this, and you'll never have this problem again. To start our simple tip, we will only need 3 candles. Put them in a pan. Then, place on low heat and let them melt. I never realized I could do this at home. I started saving a lot of money. My children and I never had to go to the hospital again after learning this wonderful trick. Once the candles are completely melted, remove the wick. Do not throw away the leftover wicks. We will still use them. And now comes our most important ingredient for this to work. We will need Vicks VapoRub. Vicks VapoRub is well known in every household. We will need just 1 tablespoon of Vicks. Add it and stir until the Vicks paste melts and mixes completely with the candle wax. Once this is done, turn off the heat. Now transfer the melted wax to a container. You can use any container you want, as long as it is not plastic. Next, we will add a bit of clove. The cloves will play a very important role in our tip, and there is no exact amount of cloves. You can add as many as you want. Then, mix well. I learned this trick from an old nurse. It is a powerful and infallible trick. I bet you won't spend money on expensive medications at the pharmacy anymore. After mixing well, our tip is almost ready. Remember the wick I said to set aside? We will use it now with the help of a clothespin. Just place the wick in the center of the container. Leave it for a few minutes until the candle hardens. After some time, it will look like this. See how it turned out. It is wonderful, and you will thank me when I tell you what it's for. Now you just need to remove the clothespin. Then, cut off the excess wick, and you can light it. What you just made is a wonderful sanitary and insect-repellent candle. Making an aromatic candle with Vicks VapoRub can bring interesting health benefits, especially in terms of relief, breathing, and relaxation. It can help alleviate mild respiratory problems, such as nasal congestion, due to its expectorant properties. Making a candle with Vicks VapoRub has the medicinal properties of certain plants and essential oils. This candle was primarily created for the treatment of chest congestion, cough, and other cold symptoms. Just leave it in your room and inhale it while you sleep. It will provide you with all the mentioned benefits while you sleep. And along with the clove, it will help keep all kinds of insects out of your house, especially mosquitoes. Clove has a compound called eugenol, which has insecticidal and repellent properties, keeping all kinds of flying insects away. If you live in an area with many insects and don't know what to do anymore, prepare this homemade candle. This was today's tip, and I hope you liked it. Enjoy this video and send it to your friends and family who really need this amazing advice. I am sure it will help a lot. Then come back here and thank me. Thank you very much. God bless you all and see you in the next video.